Complete Science Guide, Part 4, Section 2 of 2, Ecology and Ecosystems. Habitats are places where organisms live. Different habitats provide what living things need to survive, such as food, water, shelter, and space. Look at these different habitats and the animals that are in them. When you think of biotic, think of living factors. Biotic factors are the living components of an ecosystem. Plants, animals, birds, fungi, amphibians, and microorganisms, such as bacteria and algae, are all living things. They're living factors. When you think of abiotic, think of non-living factors. Abiotic factors are the non-living parts of an ecosystem, such as sunlight, soil, and water. Abiotic factors include water, sunlight, soil, air, temperature, rocks, and more. Populations means the same species in one area. A population is a group of organisms of the same species living in the same area at the same time. All the deer belong to the same species. They live in the same area, which is this meadow, at the same time. This group of deer is a population. Now, let's look at communities. Different populations together. A community is made up of different populations of different species living and interacting in the same area. So all of these populations of different species come together to form a community. The birds, the deer, the rabbits, the flowering plants, the turtles, the fish, the frogs, the dragonflies, and all the other things that are living. Ecosystems can change due to natural events or humans. When a wildfire sweeps through an ecosystem, it acts as a natural reset that breathes new life into the land. By burning away dead brush and dense canopies, the fire recycles nutrients back into the soil as ash and allows sunlight to finally reach the forest floor. This process triggers dormant seeds to sprout and create a patchwork of new habitats where diverse wildlife can thrive. While the immediate damage looks harsh, the ecosystem remains wild and possesses the natural ability to grow back stronger and more resilient than it was before. So, in contrast, human development causes a permanent transformation that removes the land's ability to recover. When we pave over soil and build structures, we create physical barriers like roads and fences that trapped wildlife in small disconnected islands of habitat. Unlike the temporary smoke of a fire, development introduces constant stressors like noise, artificial light, and chemical pollution that drive native species away for good. Instead of a cycle of regrowth, the natural landscape is replaced by an environment designed for people, effectively ending the ecosystem's natural life cycle. So whether from natural events or human actions, ecosystems change and living things have to adapt. Thank you, family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.